Ever wondered what you would do if you witnessed someone drowning in a swimming pool? Well, that is our focus this week. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Travel with Enock and Jaqi, Season 2. Last week on Travel with Enock and Jaqi, we took you back to Fort Portal on a room tour. We took you on an expedition of the Mabereganye na Mwiru, and we tasted game meat at the Loans restaurant. This week on Travel with Enock and Jaqi, we take you on a room tour at a wellness and fitness center. We show you how to save a drowning person, and we hang out at a nutrition bar. You are watching Magic One TV, your Mama Awards 2021 host TV. Travel with Enock and Jaqi runs every Wednesday at 8:30 and repeats Sundays at 5:30. You can also catch the show online on our YouTube channel, Enock and Jaqi. Please don't forget to subscribe while there. My name is Enock Nsubuga, and the fun starts right now.
Sleek and Slender is located on Seziwa Road in the heart of Kampala. The Wellness and Fitness Center was established in 1999 as a pioneer for the use of turning tables. Operations Manager Lorraine Baine gives us a tour of this calming and relaxing space. Let's roll. For starters, I love the walkway that is well decorated with different flowers and different pots leading you to the reception. At the reception, like any other serious public space, you have to sanitize before you're welcomed in with a big smile and a focus wall full of personal development inscriptions as well as testimonies of clients' befores and afters. We proceed to the first massage room, where I loved the ceiling. I love the bathroom. Very different, very different. Clean, of course, and welcoming, with all these motivational quotes on life and health. And lastly, Wing B. Wing B houses the famous and incredible turning tables, not forgetting a large mirror that lets in a lot of light into this room. And definitely, I love the room decor. There's something to look at on every wall. There are no bare walls in here, and that is very important in room decor. I love. Simple and relaxing. There you have it, a short room tour of Sleek and Slender. Did you get any ideas for your wellness space in your home? Do share with us on social media, on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, Enock and Jaqi.
Well, what do you think? Still to come, our travel experience of the week, our swimming tip, the people we meet, and our top place to eat this week.
Ever wondered what you would do if you witnessed a drowning incident in a swimming pool? Well, that is our focus this week in the travel experience feature. For starters, a drowning situation can happen so quickly and so unexpectedly that it's easy to be caught off guard. The first step to saving a drowning person is to determine if they are surely drowning. Also, if someone has gone underwater and they cannot speak or yell, that can be a sign that they are in trouble. Here are some other things to look out for. Panicky movements. A drowning person may bob quickly up and down and try to reach their arms up out of the water to signal that they are in trouble. Such signs of floundering are a sign that you may need to take action. Head back and mouth open. A drowning person may tilt their head backwards and open their mouth as if they're gasping or struggling for breath. Dropping beneath the surface. If a person drops beneath the surface of the water and you do not see them come up again in a reasonable period of time, usually within a few seconds, they could be drowning. Kicking stops. Sometimes when a person is in water and they're in trouble, they may feel weak and unable to make kicking motions, thus becoming still. Trying to help a drowning person takes quick thought and courage. You may feel the need to at least try doing something, which can be difficult in such a situation. However, when you think about attempting to save a drowning person, the most effective way is to try calming yourself enough so you can think clearly and act quickly. Another critical thing you have to remember is to avoid doing anything that will put you in danger. You're not going to be any good to the person if you get pulled under by panic and you become a victim yourself. You need to stay in a save yourself mode. Assess the situation before you take action. It's important to remember that no situations are alike, and depending on your situation, a different set of proactive steps could be required. Factors like whether the person is in a swimming pool, lake, or ocean will have an impact on your actions. At a pool, you may have access to helpful personal flotation devices that you can throw to them in water for that person to grab onto, so you can pull them to the side of the swimming pool. Here are some things you will want to do no matter where the potential drowning scenario takes place. Call for help. If you can't call for help, yell for someone to help. In most cases, a pool attendant is available. The sooner you get knowledgeable help on the way, the better the outcome will be for the drowning person. Look around you. Examine the area you're in to see if there is any type of flotation devices or anything that is meant to help a drowning person, like a pole, torpedo-shaped buoy, or a ring-shaped buoy. Swim to them. This can be a tough decision to make because you have to put yourself in a save-yourself state of mind. But if you're a very good swimmer or you're well trained in underwater rescue, you typically want to swim out to someone. You also have the option of swimming near the person, but not right up to them, so you can toss them a flotation buoy. A drowning person becomes panicked and could strongly pull on you, taking you underwater if you're not careful. This week, our swimming coach, Herbert Kafrika Montez, demonstrates how to swim around a drowning person and save them by pushing them from behind to the side of the swimming pool. Still about swimming, we are back with our learning how to swim tips and tricks. Previously, we looked at building water confidence by walking in the swimming pool to kill that fear of water. We looked at holding your breath underwater, and today we learn how to float on water. Here's Herbert with a floating tip.
Hello, my name is Herbert, and this is your swimming tip for this week. Floating. You need to breathe in a lot of air and hold it in your lungs, which makes you float on the water. The less air you have in your lungs, your body sinks. The more air you have in your lungs, your body floats. So, we have two floats, the buoy float and the star float.
Our guest this week is Jen Baine, founder and proprietor of Slick, as it is fondly referred to. After childbirth, postpartum weight inspired Jen to start a new chapter, not only in her life, but in the lives of others too. She spoke to Enock. Watch.
Hello, and welcome to Travel with Enock and Jaqis, the people we meet. This week, we're having a conversation with a wellness and fitness expert. Hello, Jen.
Hello, Enock.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good, good.
Yes.
So to start this show, who exactly is Jen?
Jane is a mother of 5 grown kids.
Okay.
Jane is a grandmother, a very proud one, and proprietor of Slick and Slender.
Nice. So what exactly do you do here at Slick and Slender?
I am into wellness.
Okay.
And I want to say that I'm really, really passionate about what I do, because that's what I wake up thinking about. Okay. And that's why I jump out of my bed every morning to come and serve, teach people about nutrition, about stress management, about attitude, and many other things.
Is there a story behind why you do this?
When I got married to Mr. Gregory Baine, I immediately quit the 9-to-5 job, and I was a stay-at-home mother. and I had my children one after another,
Okay.
and that caused me some problems. Though I enjoyed every single minute that I was mothering my kids,
Okay.
I started to put on weight,
Oh.
and that is the story actually.
Ah.
In 10 years, I had jumped from a small girl
Okay.
of size 10, 12 to size 22. That was a big jump because when I got married, I think I was about maybe 65 kilograms. 3 years, 4 years down the road, I was almost hitting 90 kilograms.
Okay.
I was 30 years old, already feeling like a 60-year-old. My knees were hurting, my back was hurting. Even just getting out of bed in the morning was such a mission. So I had to do something, and I started looking,
Okay.
started searching for a solution to my own problems. I found out that I was not in that boat alone. There were some other people, and by the time I opened, I had a list of people that I called and told about this.
Okay.
And Slick and Slender opened its doors in 1999,
Okay.
and we are going strong. I was looking for where I could make a contribution, but also get some money. I wanted something that was flexible, and this facility has given me everything that I really was looking for. It's
Interesting.
a dream for me. It's a dream come true.
Kindly take us through exactly what happens here. For instance, how does your morning begin? And what exactly do you do here at Slick and Slender? Okay.
For the last 22 years, I wake up at between 4:30 and 5.
Okay.
Because Slick and Slender actually opens at 5 a.m.
Okay.
every morning,
Okay.
and we close at 9 p.m. I normally get here by 6:15
Okay.
because we welcome clients from all walks of life. There are people who don't have any other time during the day,
Okay.
so they choose to start here. Some people, I think, wrongly think that exercise is for only people who are looking to lose weight.
Okay.
Some people think that exercise is for people who are well off and they are looking to spend money, but exercise is for everybody. I think that we really must be intentional.
Sure.
Because we can pretend and think that we are too busy to find time to exercise, but if you do not, it catches up with you.
Okay.
Especially as you get older. So
Yeah.
one thing that I'd like to say to our viewers, that each individual that comes here is treated well. And we
Nice.
don't treat people collectively. We treat people, each individual. Before you start our program, you fill in a questionnaire so that we know. We get your details. We know if you have diabetes, if you are hypertensive, if you actually need to see a medical doctor, because we are not medical doctors. We just help to prevent diseases.
Now, talking about exercising,
Yes.
when I was coming in, I saw you. Was that punching? What exactly were you guys doing outside there?
That is actually it is supposed to be a dance class,
Okay.
but we have a young instructor who just finished his education at Chambogo,
Okay.
and he comes up with all sorts of ideas, and I'm enjoying this. This is a new addition to Slick and Slender because of COVID.
Okay.
There are some people who would not want to be indoors, so this is why we do the exercise outdoor.
Interesting.
I'd like to encourage people out there,
Okay.
those who are still young,
Okay.
you even stand a better chance. It's better that you start early. I look like this, I'm 60. I look like this because of what I've been doing
You're
for
60.
the last 25 years.
Wow.
I've been intentional about this. I exercise every single day. I select what I eat. I don't eat anyhow. I don't eat like other people. I select what I eat. I live on fruit, I live on vegetables, I drink my water, and I also manage my stress. Otherwise I'll be finished by now.
Wow.
So people out there, the earlier you start, the better for you. And the older people, it's never too late. It is very, very important that we take self-care very, very seriously, because a lot of people, especially in the urban areas, are busy chasing to get money. But what is the point of getting money at the expense of your health? Are you working so that you spend the money now going to India?
For treatment.
For treatment, for diseases which you could avoid, for diseases which should not be attacking you at age 35 or 40. Why don't you do small installments of self-care and then push those degenerative diseases, or in another language, diseases of the civilized?
Thank you so much, Jen. Thank you for sharing this knowledge. Our viewer out there, this was about wellness and fitness. Thank you for watching, and see you next week on the same channel.
Thank you so much for always watching Travel with Enock and Jaqi, and we're very excited to be always discovering new and better eating places for you. In our top place to eat this week, we're going all the way healthy eating. It's the new trend, it's the in thing, it's cool, but above all, your body will thank you for it, and your heart and your hormones. So today I'm with Justine, chilling in the sleek and slender kitchen. She is the wellness manager here when it comes to food and everything. Everybody talks about growing fruits and of course juicing. So Justine, how are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
Fine, thank you. Thanks so much for allowing us in your kitchen.
Yes.
So what are we going to do today?
We are going to do healthy juice without sugar.
Let's learn how to make tasty juice, no sugar added, no water.
We are going to start with watermelon. It is going to be a base because it has a lot of water to help me to act as water.
Okay. So instead of water, watermelon will be our water.
Our base.
Our base. More like when you're doing a smoothie, how you need a base. Okay. No water. Remember, no water. No sugar.
No water, no sugar.
Okay.
Also do healthy food. We do boiled vegetables.
Oh, you boil vegetables?
Then I also help people to be on diet programs.
Oh, those that are like trying
those who are our members, I helped train them for free.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Hey, Justine, did you study catering or
Yes, I did that National College of Business Studies at Nakawa.
Hey.
Then I
Nakawa
trained,
product. Nakawa should be so proud of you.
Yes, then I also trained at Moya Safari Lodge.
Whoa!
Yes, and then I worked also at the Fruit Bat, Grand Imperial Hotel.
Now you have a CV, madam. Oh.
Yes.
So this mango is supposed to also to be the sweet
And then
sugar.
I'm going to add some ginger for a taste. You can
I
put
thought
ginger,
for COVID.
Even for COVID, both.
These days we put ginger in everything since COVID.
So now the juice is ready to take.
So I've been allowed to be chief taster for this juice. No sugar, no water. Let's taste and see. This was our top place to eat this week. Sleek and slender in the kitchen. This juice has no sugar, no water, but it tastes really nice and it's very, very sweet. You actually don't need sugar.
If you're into health living like myself, I'm sure that inspired you. Well, that was it this week. Thanks for watching. For more travel content, please visit our travel website, www.valguide.co.za. Special thanks to Syncap Media, our production house, Makizito Uganda, our logistics partners, Africa Runners, our transport partners, and the Val Guide, our publishing department. Cheers, and see you next week on the same channel.